You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, your guide to moving to another country. Today we're focusing on a move from San Francisco to France with one goal, helping you prepare the documents needed to keep your household good shipment moving. When people think about international moving, they often start with containers and packing. For France, paperwork deserves the same early attention. A well-prepared document file can reduce confusion before your shipment reaches the destination customs process. Begin with your move status. Are you establishing your principal residency in France? Are you relocating for work, returning after living abroad, or are you moving with family? These details affect the documents that may support your customs entry and any available relief for used household goods. For a typical transfer of residence, the required documents may include a copy of a passport, proof of residence in France, a detailed itemized inventory, and a signed non-resale declaration. Supporting evidence may also include a certificate of change of residence or a work assignment letter showing that you lived abroad and are transferring residence to France. Requirements can vary by personal circumstances, and French customs make the final decision. The inventory matters more than many people expect. It's not just a list for the movers. It helps customs understand what you are importing. Describe household items clearly, identify higher value prices, and use accurate, current values when a list of values is requested. Do not wait until packing day to gather this information. Your timing also matters. Used household goods may be eligible for relief only when conditions about ownership, use, residence, and shipment timing are met. That means you should discuss documentation before the shipment is packed and before dates become difficult to change. For the physical move, sea freight is often the best fit for a full household from San Francisco. Air freight can be useful for a small group of essentials you might need sooner, such as limited work items or immediate household needs. Keep travel documents, medication, irreplaceable records, and valuables you are personally carrying out of the shipment. At destination, delivery planning still matters. Confirm the address, access, elevator, parking, and any building rules early. Customs clearance and final delivery work best when the destination details are ready before the shipment arrives. Here's the takeaway. For a San Francisco to France move, make the document file one of your first projects. SDC International Shipping helps coordinate door-to-door household good moves, including packing, freight, planning, custom documentation, guidance, insurance options, and storage when needed. Call 877-339-0267 or visit our website.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.